Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I bought myself this Parkside Cordless glue gun. It's a 20 volt glue gun and the model number is PHPA 20LI-A1. It comes with a 3-year warranty, delivered without battery and without charger, and it operates on an X20 volt Team Series battery. The heat up time is approximately 60 seconds and the battery runtime at the glue output of 15 grams a minute is 30 minutes for a 2 amp battery and 60 minutes for a 4 amp hour battery. Maximum temperature 180, and it automatically switches off after 30 minutes. So let's open it up, see what's inside, and I hope it's better than my old glue gun. I'm going to show you my old glue gun, and this doesn't operate very proper. It's a 220 volt machine and it doesn't heat, it doesn't charge, and I always have to wait before the glue gets out, and then when it gets out it stops and it's a drama. So that's why I now bought the Parkside Cordless glue gun, and we're gonna test it now on wood, carpet, rope, plastic, paper, glass, to see how it operates. And of course the manual in a multiple language. Oh, that's very light. Much lighter than the old one. Nice. Trigger. Here is the entry for the glue stick. On-off button. And a nozzle where the glue comes out. It's pretty nice. It's nice that it's so light. And 3 glue sticks. And that's about it. Here I have some materials that we're gonna glue together. Some carpet, plastics, some rope, some cardboard, some other piece of wood, golf ball, tennis ball, and I have some glasses. Just to test the different materials. So what I'm gonna do now is heat it up, attach the battery after removing this safely. We put the glue gun, the glue into the gun. Until it can go no further in. And we push the button, the light turns on here, the light is red here. We wait until the light gets green. And the light is green. Let me tell you how this works. You put the glue stick in, it heats up in here, it heats the glue, and then the glue melts. And this is not electric. This is you push the glue into the heater and then it melts, and then the glue gets liquid and it comes out. So let's test it on here. And there it comes. Oh, that's nice. It's a lot of glue coming out. Okay. Let's glue this together. And then we have some, and then we have some plastic. Let me show you from closer. And you have to be careful because this is very hot and the glue is also very hot. Let's put this together. And you can already feel that it's getting sticky. So put these aside. Watch out because it's hot. The nozzle gets very hot. Let's glue some carpet here. Put another stick in, because you see it comes to an end. We put the other stick in, and the other stick will push it forward. Put some glue here, just nice, like a lot of glue. Put down the carpet here. And let it dry. Let's glue the piece of wood. On here. Push it good. We have two other pieces of wood. It works very nice. Doesn't stop. Always gives glue. And you can see the light is also shining on the product you are gluing. I see the glue come out. Glue a rope. You can make your own cat pole with it, your scratch pole for the cat. I have made one myself also with the other glue gun, but this one operates much better. So let it here dry a little bit. I have two glasses. Be careful they don't break. There should be enough. Glue the glasses together. Also let them rest. And wait until it dries. We still have the golf ball and the tennis ball. And the glue, it's again out of glue because it won't reach the glue stick anymore. So then you have to put in a new one. And see if we can attach the golf ball to the tennis ball. And using a lot of glue here. Way too much. And let them rest here. So now wait until it dries. There is one thing for safety, and don't forget, the tip is very hot. You burn yourself. The glue will, if you touch it, the glue will stick to your arm and burn into your skin. So be aware of that. I can't stop gluing. It's so nice. The machine is so nice and it's still working. So I'm gonna attach this here. Okay, that's it. The glue is dry now. As you can see, it's very strong. The first thing we glued was the paper, and it's all glued together. The carpet, you see, I pull the wood with the glue, so strong. Tennis ball already, and it's dry within 5 minutes. Oh, there it goes. This is also very tight. I'm gonna try to break it loose. I can't. So strong. The rope. I can get it a little bit. So it's very strong. And this one won't even come off anymore. So it's a good product. The glue works fine. The glue gun works fine. The glue is strong, and you can glue anything. I still have to take a look at the glass. I don't know if I can get them. I don't want to break the glass, but it's very strong attached to each other with the glue. You can see the glue in the bottom of the glass. So, very nice product. I don't know how I'm gonna drink my Coca-Cola now. So the final result, it's a very good glue gun. It heats up properly. First the light is red, and then when it heated up it gets green. Make sure you put the glue stick in far enough so it reaches the heater. The heater melts the glue, and then it's ready to operate. The tip and this part really get hot, so you have to be aware of that. The trigger works fine. And you can glue like anything from carpet, rope, a golf ball and a tennis ball, wood, plastic. So very handy tool. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and you will be notified if you hit the bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and maybe see you next time.